Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm back with another baking recipe with a spicy touch. Let's see how to make masala cookies. This recipe is perfect for those who like spicy snacks and it is a perfect combination with tea. For the masala cookie, let's start making the masala first. Into a blender, add in some red chilies, shallots, some desiccated coconut, a small piece of ginger, some garlic cloves, fennel seeds, and some cardamom. As you know, I don't use the entire cardamom, only the seeds. Now just crush them all together. Now the main masala for the masala cookie is ready. Now take a bigger bowl, add in room temperature butter, some powdered sugar. Now whisk it until it is well combined. Add in 2 eggs. Mix it. Now sift in all-purpose flour, some salt, baking powder and baking soda. Add it into the wet mixture. Now add in some black sesame seeds and mix it. Now add the main ingredient, the masala. Combine it well. And while making the masala, I forgot to add one thing, that is the cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can add a cinnamon stick into the masala at the time of grinding. Now mix everything with your hands. And I felt the dough was a bit sticky, so I added a bit more flour and mixed it. So after mixing, you need to get a soft dough like this. Now take a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Take small portion of the dough, make it into a ball first, then slightly press it to get the cookie shape and place it on the baking tray. Shape all the cookies like this. So just before baking, give an egg wash, which will give a good shine for the cookies and also will get a beautiful brown shade. Now you have to bake these cookies on a low heat. So preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius and bake it for around 40 to 45 minutes. And while baking, you can see the cookies have little puffed up and some cracks on top. That is just perfectly fine, and this is the way the masala cookies are baked. And because of the egg wash, you can see the beautiful shine on top of these cookies. And at the time of baking these cookies, my kitchen was smelling divine. I could smell all the spices. So definitely try out these cookies, which is packed with all the spices. Give this video a big thumbs up and share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.